Bradley, Scott. Bradley. Bradley. Earlier in a second. Everybody wake up. Let's do your thing. All right. Everyone, please be seated. Please be seated. I just have to make one quick phone call. All right, good morning, everybody. This is the 5 o'clock calendar. It's August 12, 2025. The court orders for the taking of DNA and fingerprints that were made on the first calendar of this month will apply to this calendar. And I will not say out loud all your release conditions. They'll be on your paperwork, so it'll be your responsibility to read it. If I do set a secured appearance bond, you can go to a bondsman. It's my understanding they do collect calls. Their names and numbers are on some of the walls in the jail. If you can't find them or if you need assistance, please ask one of the officers. All right. On the release conditions, at minimum, will say no drugs without a valid prescription and don't drive without a valid driver's license. When I call your name, you'll come up behind the podium, give me your name and date of birth. Jabrian Perry. Sir, your name and date of birth, please.
Jabrian Perry, 2007, July 28th.
Okay, sir. I know you're on juvenile probation until 19. I didn't make any reference to it, but if you should get out, you'd have to contact your juvie probation officer. Sir, can I state, wish to make an announce for the record, please?
Huh?
No.
Oh.
Good morning, Your Honor. Ashley Stetson on behalf of the state.
Okay. So you were charged with one count of murder in the first degree, one count of endangerment, that's class 1 misdemeanor, one count of endangerment, a class 6 felony, and one count disorderly conduct, a class 6 felony. I'm appointing an attorney for you. First of all, you can't have any contact with any co-defendants, no weapons, and no alcohol, and no drugs without a valid prescription. Let me hear from the state.
Your Honor, for the record, that's murder 1 is a class 1 felony. In regards to conditions of release, the state is asking for $1 million cash. The conditions outlined in the state's written recommendation would include but are not limited to the suspect not having any contact with any co-defendants, not having any contact with the victim or the victim's next of kin, also not returning to the scene, not having possession of any weapons, alcohol, or drugs, and any other conditions Your Honor see appropriate. The state is asking for such a high bond due to the allegations outlined in the Form 4, as well as the state's belief that the suspect is a danger to the community. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. I do am making a slight change, by the way, officer, in regard to this. So, since there is other victims, I should have put in here, and I'm changing that. You should not have any initiate contact with any alleged victim or victims. I'm setting bond in the same amount as at least one of the other co-defendants. That'll be a $1 million cash bond. If you are able to post that bond, you have to have an ankle bracelet with a curfew, with hours approved by pretrial services. Step to your left, please, sir. Bradley Kotz.
Your Honor, may the state be excused.
Yes.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay. Okay, so your name and date of birth, please.
Bradley Kotz, September 28, 1996.
All right, sir. You are charged with theft of means of transportation, class 3 felony, possession of a weapon by a prohibited person, possession of dangerous drugs, class 4 felonies, and possession of drug paraphernalia, class 6. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. I show you have 13 priors. You're on parole in Iowa, but apparently they're not extraditing you on that. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. Your next court dates will be at 175 West Madison at 8:30. Status conference on August 18th. And right now, a witness preliminary hearing is scheduled on August 21st at 8:30. You're not to initiate contact with the alleged victim or victims. No drugs without a valid prescription. And if you happen to get out, you have to contact your probation officer, your parole officer within 24 hours of release. If you do post your bond, you'll have an ankle bracelet with a curfew with hours to be approved by pretrial services. And bond is set in the amount of $5,000 secured appearance bond. All right, step to your left, please, sir. Justin McMeans. Morning. Your name and date of birth, please.
Justin Wayne McMeans, 9/27/88.
Okay, so you are charged with aggravated DUI, class 4 felony, and possession of narcotic drugs, class 4 felony. I do note that you have 4 prior felony convictions, a couple of failures to appear, and one of your priors is for aggravated DUI. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. Your court dates will be at 175 West Madison at 8:30 in the morning. Status conference on August 18th, and a witness preliminary hearing on August 21st. No alcohol, no drugs without a valid prescription. Bond is set as secured appearance bond amount of $2,500. Step to your left, please. Timothy Pierce. Sir, your name and date of birth, please.
Timothy Pierce, 10/12/87.
All right, sir, you have a bench warrant. Apparently you failed to show for a status conference on a possession of dangerous drugs. You already have an attorney on that. You'll be at 175 West Madison Street at 8:30 in the morning for a status conference on August 18th, and a witness preliminary hearing is scheduled for August 21st. And your judge said bond the amount of $500 secured appearance bond because of your failure to appear. All right, so step to your left, please. Daniel Metzger. Sir, your name and date of birth.
Daniel Metzger, 7/31/63.
All right, you got two matters. One is a new case at a bench warrant at a Superior Court. The other one is you got a new case out of Goodyear City Court. Your address for that court will be in your paperwork. Now, starting with the bench warrant at a Superior Court, you already have an attorney. Your court dates will be at 175 West Madison Street at 8:30. Status conference August 18th. Witness preliminary August 21st. Your judge said bond the amount of $500 secured appearance bond, and that's based on possession of dangerous drugs. Now you have new charges in the Goodyear City Court, 2 counts of shoplifting, classified misdemeanors. A lawyer will be appointed for you at next court date, and you're scheduled to be there on August 20th at 8:30 at the Goodyear City Court. Because bond was set on the other matter, so this way they'll transport you if you don't postpone the other one. You're not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or initiate contact with any alleged complainant or witnesses. Bond is set in security appearance bond of $250. So your total bond is $750 security appearance bond. All right, step to your left, please. Daniel Campos. And so your name and date of birth, please.
Daniel Campos, 729.
7289?
Yes.
Okay. You got 2 bench warrants out of Superior Court, 2024-11481 and 2024-152-987. You are having an attorney on that, and your court dates will be August 18th at 8:30 for status conference and witness preliminary hearing 8:21 at 8:30 for a witness preliminary hearing. And I will tell you this: your judge on each one said bond security appearance bond of $500 each, so it's a total of $1,000 security appearance bond because you failed to appear. All right, step to your left, please. Ruben Giron.
Yeah.
Your name and date of birth, please.
Ruben Hidon, 78, 1978.
Okay. You're here on a probation violation. You're on probation for possession of narcotic drugs. You're alleged to have violated terms 3, 5, and 15. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. You'll be at 201 West Jefferson for a probation revocation arraignment hearing on August 19th at 8:30. If you get out, contact your probation officer with 24 hours of release because you're on intensive probation. It's 24 hours. Not to possess any weapons, not to possess or consume any alcohol, no drugs without a valid prescription. And another judge set bond for you in the amount of $250 security appearance bond. Step to your left, please. Ricky Rivas. Sir, your name and date of birth, please.
Ricky Joseph Rivas, 2281.
2281?
Yeah.
Okay. By the way, you haven't seen a Tempe judge yet, have you?
No.
Okay, that'll probably be tomorrow morning. Okay. I have to make one little change, Mel. Okay. Let's see, this will be modified. Let's see here. Okay. Anyway, a new case of possession of narcotic drugs, Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. Your court dates will be at 175 West Madison Street at 8:30. Status conference on August 27th. A witness preliminary hearing on August 29th. You must obey any orders of protection or injunctions against harassment that have been issued or will be issued. Yeah, but excuse me. I'm releasing you to pretrial services. You'll get a packet. You better read it because you've got to contact them, abide by their conditions, and do drug testing. If you don't, a warrant will probably issue. But you'll probably be out in about 4 hours. Well, no, you won't be out because you have to see the Tempe judge.
Yeah.
But you'll be released to pretrial services on the felony charges. So make sure you make all your court dates, okay?
Yes, thank you.
Joshua Seibert. Sir, your name and date of birth, please.
Joshua Allen Siebert, Jr.,
Siebert.
09/09/94.
I try to pronounce people's names wrong. I said Seibert. It's
Siebert, yes.
It's Seibert, right?
Siebert.
Siebert, okay. You're charged with possession of narcotic drugs, Class 4, and 2 Class 6 felonies, possession of drug paraphernalia, and tampering with physical evidence. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. You will also be at 175 West Madison Street at 8:30. Status conference on August 27th. Witness preliminary hearing on August 28th. Likewise, you'll be released in a few hours because I'm releasing you to pretrial services. Read the packet because you got to contact them. You also have to get drug testing. If you don't do all those conditions, abide by their conditions, a warrant can issue. All right? Step to your left, please.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Carlos Silva. Sir, your name and date of birth.
02/22/99.
All right, sir, you are charged with possession of narcotic drugs, Class 4 felony, possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6, and a misdemeanor DUI, Class 1 misdemeanor. Appointing a lawyer for you. Your court dates will also be at 175 West Madison at 8:30. Status conference August 27th, and witness preliminary hearing on August 29th. And you'll also be released to pretrial services with drug testing. So make sure you contact them, read the packet, and make sure you get your drug testing done, or else a warrant can issue.
Okay.
It'll be about 4 hours before you get out.
Thank you.
All right, step to your left, please. I don't want to try to pronounce your name. Koapaka Nicholson.
Good morning.
All right. Your name and date of birth, please.
One more time.
Your name and date of birth.
Koabaka Malino Kalikari Nicholson, 10/19/01.
Okay. You must be Hawaiian, right?
I am Hawaiian.
Because I know it's a very long name. You have to pronounce all the vowels, letters, so I didn't want to try. All right. Sir, you are charged with one count of possession of narcotic drugs. Excuse me 1 second.
Mm-hmm.
Strike that. Sir, you were charged with one count of criminal trespass in the first degree, Class 6 felony. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. You'll be at 175 West Madison Street for a status conference at 8:30 on August 27th. Witness preliminary hearing is August 29th. You're not to return to the scene of the alleged crime or initiate contact with the alleged complainant or witness. No drugs without a valid prescription. Sir, I'm releasing you on your own recognizance, so you'll be getting out in a few hours.
Thank you,
But
sir.
make sure you make your court dates.
For sure. Thank you.
Thank you. Christian Morales. Sir, your name and date of birth.
Christian Morales, 6/18/96.
By the way, do you show any warrants for him? You know, it's confusing by the notes we had here. No other holds?
No hold, sir.
Huh.
Phoenix Court at 10 a.m.
Right, so you can see a Phoenix judge tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. All right, and I have no control over that. You're charged here with possession of drug paraphernalia, Class 6 felony, theft, Class 1 misdemeanor, criminal trespass in the 3rd degree, Class 3 misdemeanor. I'm appointing a lawyer for you. You cannot return to the scene of the alleged crime. You cannot initiate contact with the alleged complainant or witness. You'll be at a status conference on August 27th at 8:30. Witness preliminary hearing August 29th at 8:30. at 175 West Madison Street in Phoenix. And I'm releasing you on your own recognizance. Make sure you show up for court, or else there'll be a warrant and you'll be back here. All right, step to your left, please. Christopher Casada.
Christopher Casada, 9501.
Sir, may I make a suggestion? I'm not your trial judge, but I assume you did not enjoy your time here this evening or last night. Don't drive unless you have a valid driver's license, and show up for court, because it's not worth it. Better to show up for court than be here, right?
Yeah.
Okay, because you have a warrant out of Peoria City Court, and the addresses for these two courts will be in your paperwork. All right, a driving while license suspended, and in Surprise City Court, you have a new charge of driving while license suspended. So you can't drive unless you have a valid license. But I'm releasing you on your own recognizance on both matters. Okay, so let's talk about the one in Peoria. That's 2025000239. Your court date will be out there in Peoria on September 2nd at 9 o'clock. On the warrant, that is, assuming the new case in this Surprise, your next court date will be September 9th at 1:30. All right? So you'll be out in a few hours, but you better show up for court. Courts, both courts. All right? Step to your left, please. Javion Jimerson. Sir, your name and date of birth, please.
Javion Jimerson, 03/21/2006.
All right, so you're charged with possessing a canceled or false driver's license, Class 2 misdemeanor, and false ID by a minor. And this is in the Goodyear City Court. Your address will be on your paperwork. Make sure you show up there on August 27th at 1 o'clock. You cannot consume any alcohol because of your age, but I'll release you on your own recognizance. So be smart and show up for court. All right, step to your left, please. James Stevens. All right, sir, your name and date of birth, please.
Excuse me? 11/9/67, James Stevens.
Okay, I just want to check one thing here. All right, sir, you got a warrant at a Buckeye City Court. The address will be in your paperwork. I suggest you try to make your way out there. You charge a warrant on possession of drug paraphernalia. And your court date will be September 2nd at 2 o'clock. No drugs without a valid prescription. And although there was a warrant, I decided to release you, but you may not be so lucky next time. All right, step to your left, please.
James.
You'll be getting out. Eber Sandoval. All right, so your name and date of birth, please. Your name and date of birth.
Who named me at birth? My mom.
And your date of birth?
Oh, date of birth, 10/27/89.
Okay, you've got two matters before me. Both warrants. One is at a Buckeye City Court. The other one's at a Peoria City Court. Let's deal with the... and both of them apparently, what, do you owe fines on them or something? Is that right?
I'm sorry, can
Do you owe fines on these things?
Yes, just once.
Well, I suggest you show up for court. That's a big start because they want bonds for you on both of them. And if you show up for court, they'll be working a whole lot better, and also start raising some money to start paying on it, make them a lot happier, and that way you don't have a warrant, okay?
Yes,
So in the Buckeye City Court, you have to be there on September 2nd at 2 o'clock, all right?
Okay.
And in the one in Peoria City Court, it's September 2nd at 9 a.m. So, well, if you go from Peoria to Buckeye, or vice versa, but I'll release you on your own recognizance. It'd be a whole lot better to show up for court and start paying the money. All right?
Yes, sir.
Step to your left, please. think that's it, right?
Yeah, number 2, did you change it? Because
Number 2?
over to Rivas. See how I didn't finish it?
I'm trying to find it on,
Did you change it?
yeah.
Because I didn't catch it.
Let me see here.
Was I supposed to reprint it?
I don't think I changed it. Oh, yeah, I added up our order of protection and so forth.
Can you open it so I can,
Open it, sure.
so I can get, so I can sign in?
Okay, you want me to amend?
Yes.
Okay.
I tried to do it from here, but it didn't.
Now what? Do save? Or-
That was the only thing that you changed.
I can't hear you, by the way.
That was the only thing you changed?
Yeah, I think so. Just,
Okay, now you need to sign it again? for me?
sign it again. Did it take? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Then we're done, right?
We're done.
Awesome. Thank you very much.